Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to check subscription on Amazon Prime. To check our subscription, we're gonna find our profile in the app of Amazon Prime. In the app, we're gonna to click this button right here, these three lines. Right here, we're gonna click this, and here we're gonna find this option called yeah, Manage Prime Membership. We're gonna find this option right here, and we're gonna click. Once we click this option, we're gonna find uh, this section right here. We're gonna click, and then you can see all your Prime subscription on Amazon. Okay, you can manage your membership clicking this arrow right here, and there you go. You have checked your subscription on Amazon. If this video was helpful, please comment and subscribe.